Hey guys, welcome back to another Vector Ink tutorial. In this video we will learn how to draw a cloud icon, using Vector Ink, like this. Without any further ado, let's get started guys.
Now open Vector Ink.
Okay guys, now I will change the background color to blue. To change the canvas color, click on document icon, and I will select this blue color. Now I will draw a clouds. To draw clouds, double click on the circle shape tool, and draw a circle like this. Click on transform, go to fill color, and increase this slider to 100%. Duplicate this circle, drag it like this. Duplicate this circle, and resize it. Place it over here. Duplicate this circle, drag it like this. Now double click on Shapes tool, and select Line, and draw a line like this. Now click on Transform and I will place it over here. Now I will select every object and click on the Shape Builder tool. And enable Joint Mode, draw like this. After drawing the shapes, click on Transform. So here we have done drawing a flat clouds icon using Vector Ink, by simple steps. So guys, how was this tutorial? Was it helpful? If yes, then like this videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because the best is yet to come. Thank you, see you guys in next video.